Hello, good evening. Are you at your 30s and you want something for your aging skin? Then the best product will be retinol. And we will discuss today what is retinol, how it improves skin aging, how to use it, and when not to use it. Listen till the end for proper information and you will be a pro of using retinol. So what is retinol? Retinol is a vitamin A derivative. That means it produced from vitamin A. So this product can penetrate into your skin and give you an anti-aging benefit. What are the benefits you can get? First of all, it can reduce your acne, the dark spots, blemishes, wrinkles, and also it can improve your dull looking skin. How to use retinol? It's a very strong product. First thing is, it should be used in consultation with a dermatologist. Try to use it in the evening, not in daytime, because it can react to sunlight. In the evening, try to apply very minimum quantity all over your face, excluding the sensitive areas like the lips and peri-orbital areas or around the eyes. After applying, don't massage it. Evenly blend it all over your face. Wait for some time and then apply a moisturizer. So, basic thing to be followed before retinol is proper cleansing, then moisturizer, and the sunscreen every day. If you are missing sunscreen and moisturizer, then better to avoid retinol that day. Initially, 2 to 3 days a week is enough. Gradually increase the duration and frequency to apply it every day, every night. When it is not causing any irritation or any problem, you can continue it for a quite longer time. This is one of the most scientifically proven formula for anti-aging. But it also can cause some reactions. If you are applying too much, if you are rubbing too much, or if you are applying and going out in the sun, or in a dry or sensitive skin. So if you have very dry skin, irritated skin, don't try retinol that time. If there is any cut marks, scratch marks on your face, if the face is itchy, then please don't apply retinol that time. Consult your dermatologist and start applying retinol. It's a magic molecule and it can help you a lot with your skin aging. Use it and get back to us in the comment below. Thank you so much.